Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video to show you how to apply vinyl stickers and decals. If you are here because you have purchased from my Etsy shop my pantry labels, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. If you are here because you have your own decals already or vinyl stickers and just want to know how to apply, well, thanks for coming. I hope you find this useful and I hope it's informative enough for you, and it's just really quick just to show you how to do it. It's quite a simple process. It's just to make sure that you get things right and that your stickers are going to last a long time. If you would like to go to my Etsy shop and purchase the pantry labels that I have there, I will have the link in the description below and you can go and check it out. I have some other things in there too that I make, so feel free to go and have a look. Otherwise, let's jump into it and get it all done. So here I have everything that we'll need. We've got some isopropyl rubbing alcohol for cleaning. We've got a scraper here. You can use a credit card or a loyalty card, whatever you have. I've got my label with the transfer tape on it and the container that I would like to label. You want to start with some paper towel or some like a lint-free cloth, anything that's not going to leave anything behind. You want to give it a good spray with the alcohol cleaner and then a really good scrub. You want to make sure there's no residue left, no fingerprints, and you also want to make sure there's no liquid left. So make sure you give it a very good dry, and even if you want to sit it there for a minute to make sure that there's nothing left on there, that would be fine. We then grab the label and we use our credit card or scraper and we give it a really good scrape, making sure that we get in all the little nooks and crannies and stuff like that of the letters, so that when we're peeling it off, it doesn't take the letters with it. When we want to do it and we peel off the corner, we're going to put it face down onto the table just to make sure that it is easier to peel off, and we pull the paper away from the transfer tape. You want to put the paper folded back on itself, and that will help with taking it off. If you notice that the letters are coming up with it, you can put the paper back down and give it another scrape before you keep pulling it off. Once we have our label, we want to line it up on our container, and you kind of make sure that the middle is what touches first, and then you just let it go and let it seep down itself. Then we grab our scraper or credit card and you go from the inside out, inside out, inside out. Give it a really, really good scrape. If you've cleaned it well enough, you don't need to do it too much. You just want to make sure that all the letters are stuck down nicely, especially if you've got a bit of a curved surface. You really want to make sure you go around it and make sure you get everything stuck really nice. Doesn't take much. Then we want to grab the corner, and like we did with the backing, you want to fold it back on itself and slowly peel it off, making sure you're going slow enough that if the letters are starting to come up, you can go back with the scraper and give it another scrape to make sure it's stuck nicely. You can just throw away your transfer paper and your backing paper and you've got your label all done. Make sure we just hand wash these and not go in the dishwasher.